Okay, so in today's video, we're going to go into Stream Elements and we're going to build your first overlay. We're going to show you a quick one to do, and then what we're going to do is we're going to kind of show you another way to do it using your current screen. Okay, so we're back to Stream Elements. The first one we're going to do is one of their pre-built overlays, okay? So again, we log in, we're going to go to Dashboard, and we're going to come right here under Streaming Tools, and we're going to select Overlay Gallery, okay? So what we're going to do first is I'm going to show you two different ones, right? One of the normal themes, and then we're going to go with the super theme, okay? Again, the normal themes just have the theme. The super themes come with the alerts, all right? So we're going to click right here. We're going to click Create. Oh, it's moving over. Create. And it's going to be called Halo Animated Stream Overlays. Create my overlay. Here's all the overlays. Go to my overlays. Okay. So boom, here they are, right? So let's go to our starting soon. So we're going to click edit right there. And here it is. Okay. And this actually shows this shows all my information already. My latest sub, my latest follower, my latest cheer, and my latest tipper. Okay. So here's the really cool thing. I mean, you don't have to set anything up, and this is clean. Okay. So now one of the things that we see, so I'm going to zoom this out. We got the Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Okay. What we can do is we can come right here into the socials and our text for our YouTube. And we can change it, right? So you could put, smoke. If I can type today, Sergeant. All right. So we know that that's going to be the smoke sergeant one, right? And then all we have to do is in our picture, all right? Everything's there, all right? Then they know that we've got a YouTube and all that stuff, okay? You can double click some of these things, do stuff, but here's the video. Now, here's the great part about this. All you have to do is click copy overlay. And then what we're going to do real quick, because I'm already on, no, we can do this again. We can go right here, OBS. I'm already running one. We're going to do is we're going to click OK. And we're going to go to scene. So what I would do is I'd call this tutorial starting. Okay, we're going to get rid of this stuff right now. Okay, so now all I have to do is come in here and I add a browser source. Okay, we're going to call this Halo starting. Now that URL, when we clicked that, when we clicked right here and grabbed this link, we come back in over here. And we're going to paste this link right there. We'll build it 1920 by 1080. Boom. There it is. That's something very, very clean. It's got all of our stuff up here. And then we just go through back on here. So we just hit back, right? I'm going to leave this. And then we've got our gaming scene. We got our be right back. So same thing. If you want to put the be right back, you're going to hit edit. Hit the copy link. If you don't want to change anything, come back down over to OBS or Streamlabs OBS. You can do either one. And we'll add another scene. So we're going to call this tutorial BRB. Again, because it's a browser source coming from them. So we're going to go browser source. And we're just going to call this Halo BRB. We're going to paste that in. Again, 1920 by 1080. There's my be right back. Guys, these are very, very clean, free overlays. Okay, so yeah, we used the Halo one, and we got ending, and then we've got this one right here. So we've got a streaming one, and then you've kind of got another streaming one, right? So you look at which one you like. So we'll click on this one first. Okay, so webcam goes there, the game's behind here, and you do what you want. So right here, this is already your alert box. Okay, so what we can do is we can come right here and we can go follow event, emulate, follow. Boom. So this one actually came with alerts, and they're really, really nice. So we don't have to have a browser source for our overlays, and then we don't have to have it for another thing, and another thing, and another thing, right? It's all here. So we copy that overlay, come back over here, and we're going to say tutorial Live. We're going to come back over here to browser source. Browser. Halo Live. Paste that in there. At 1080. Boom, there it is. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this right here over to another screen. You guys won't be able to see it, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that emulate as well. I'm going to do an emulate follower event. Boom, there it is. So now all you would have to do in here is add your display capture, your game capture, and make sure that's underneath this browser source. And then you would add your camera and put it behind, resize it, put it behind here, and your chat is automatically going to come up, right? So what we're going to do is to show you that, we're going to move this over to the side. Actually, let's move it over to this side so you can see it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my Twitch page. Okay. And I'm going to go into my channel. And I'm going to type hello. Okay. Boom. There you go. You can see it right there. So I just went to my channel and typed it, but you can see, I'll move this over just a little bit. You can see right there that it says hello. So your chat's already built in. Like you literally have to do nothing and everything's built. Okay. So now you've got overlays and you've got something really clean. Now it depends on what you think about this, right? Some people may be running this theme. I get it, but some people don't want to buy a custom package, right? Or they just don't want to spend the money. Okay. Again, all you gotta do is come down here and see it's like royal red. So we click on the theme. Boom. Okay, we see it there. We see all the different stuff. Now, if your theme doesn't come with alerts, or let's say right now you have a theme and you have a stream package on stuff, but you just don't have alerts, what you're going to do is you're going to come right here to alerts, and we're going to grab these snowman ones, right? So we're going to click it. And let's say you just want to put these alerts, or you don't want to spend time to buy alerts for Christmas themes or whatnot, right? So we're going to use these alerts just for that. So I'm going to hit continue. Right? Snowman animated alerts, continue. Again, go to my overlays. So here we go. Christmas animated or snowman animated alerts, Christmas. So we can go to edit. And what we're going to do is so the box is right here. Okay. So now what you can do is you can move this box anywhere you want. So let's say I want it right here. We're going to emulate follower, boom. There's a follow alert, right? So they're already built. Everything's connected to your Twitch account because you're here. And all we're going to do is we're going to copy that overlay or copy this browser source. Let's come back over to here. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn this one off, okay? Because this one already has follower events and alerts in it. So to show you this, if you had your own stuff in here, all you would do is hit add browser source. And I'm going to call it Christmas alerts. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna paste it. I'm gonna hit OK. Now you can check your size. So if we're over here in our stream elements right here, click size and position for these alerts, and we know it's 597 by 431. So what we need to do is we need to come back over here. We're gonna double click that and we're gonna match that 597 by 431. Okay. There it is, right? So now let me bring this over on the side and we're going to emulate an alert. Emulate follower. I'm not sure why that didn't come through. So let's troubleshoot. Oh, you know what? Let's hit save over here. So follower. Boom, there we go. I didn't hit save on it because we made some changes. So I hit save on it and there you go. So now you've got free alerts. Okay. So let's bring over stream elements again. And we're going to go back. And we can look at the overlay gallery and we're going to look at alerts. And there they are. I mean, you've got fireplace ones, right? So this one is alerts that come over your webcam border. Okay. energy flow animated. That's what these look like. Something really cool. But again, this is free stuff for you to use to where, like, if you're going to use it like a one-off theme or whatnot, boom, here you go. I know on Fridays I do Fortnite Fridays, and that's why I have the Fortnite stream package with the alerts, because it goes with what I'm doing. Okay, so instead of me designing another one, a whole another one, and honestly, it's a really, really cool stream package with alerts. Okay, and again, choose your colors and stuff you want. You know, holiday ribbons, boom, there you go. Create the overlay. Okay, you just got to go through here and see what works for you, honestly. Okay, so again, this is a quick one. It just shows you free in Stream Elements where you can get free alerts, free overlays, and make it look really, really professional. I get it. Getting custom stuff done does cost money, right? You can go to Fiverr and see what they've got, right? You could reach out to a friend. You could try to do it yourself, but don't stress so much on these things when you've got free things at your hand. Okay, type it in, go to themes, look at alerts, and see what you can get out there for free. Okay, stay tuned. We're gonna have another video. We're gonna go more in depth into this and what Stream Elements can provide you, because there's a ton of things they can provide to you for free. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think. Y'all have a good day.